Hello YouTube. I see quite a lot of students struggle with this question. It's a very good question on linear inequations. Let us directly jump into the question. 3 by 8 into 2d would be 6d by 8. We're going to solve these linear equations. 3 by 8 into 1 by 3 would be 3 by 8 into 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 9 into 7 would be 14 by 9. Minus into minus would be plus 2 by 9 into 3d would be 6d by 9 greater than or equal to 7 and 4. The LCM would be 28 and 4 into 7 would be 28. This would be 7d plus 7 into 4 would be 28. Therefore 2 into 4 would be 8 into d minus 8. Let us cancel the 3 out here from the numerator as well as the denominator. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. I'm left with 3d by 4 here minus 1 over 8 minus 14 by 9. I can again cancel numerator and denominator with 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Therefore, this is going to be plus 2d by 3 greater than or equal to 7d plus multiplying this 8 with both the terms gives me 8d minus 64 whole divided by 28. Let me proceed further. Take the LCM of 4, 8, 9 and 3. Let me use the conventional method of taking the LCM. 4, 8, 9 and 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 9 and 3. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 9 and 3. 2 1s are, 9 and 3. And this is going to be 3 3s are, 3 1s are, and this is going to be 1. Therefore, the LCM in this case would be 3 into 3, 9, and 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. That gives me 72. Therefore, let's proceed from here. After finding the LCM, let me proceed with the question. The LCM of 4, 8, 9 and 3 is now 72. 4 into what is going to give me 72? 4 into 18 would give me 72. So 18 into 3d would be 54d minus 8 9s are 72. This is going to be 9. 9 8s are 72. That gives me 14 into 8. And 14 into 8. 14 into 8 gives me 112 plus 3 into 24 gives me 72. 24 into 2d will give me 48d. Greater than or equal to 7d plus 8d would be 15d minus 64 divided by 28. What is 54d plus 48d? That would be 102d minus 121. Minus 9 minus 112 will give me minus 121 divided by 72 greater than or equal to 15d minus 64 by 28. I'm going to separate all the d terms on one side and the numbers or the fractions on the other. Therefore, 102d by 72 minus 121 by 72 will be greater than or equal to 15d by 28 minus 64 by 28. I'm going to divide the numerator and denominator both here with 2. I'm getting 251 to 36. Again, on further dividing with 3, I get 3 17s and this would be 3 12s. The same goes here. I would divide both numerator and denominator with 4. 4 7s are 28 and 4 16s are 64. Let's proceed with the rest. 17d by 12 minus 121 by 72 greater than or equal to 15d by 28 minus 16 by 7. I am going to take this 15d by 28 to the left side. I'll get 17d by 12 minus 15d by 28 greater than or equal to, on taking minus 121 by 72 to the right side, I get 121 by 72 minus 16 by 7. Once again, I'll have to take the LCM of 12 and 28. Let me take the LCM of 12 and 28 with our conventional method. So I'm going to, let's divide with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 14s are 28, 2 3s are 2 7s are, 3 1s are and 7. So finally I get 7 1s are and 1s are. So the LCM of 12 and 28 would be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 7s are 84. 84 is my LCM. 12 7s are 84. Therefore 17D into 7 will give me 119D minus 28 into 3 is 84. 15 into 3 would be 45D, greater than or equal to. A similar case here, I'll have to take the LCM of 72 and 7. Let me take the LCM of 72 and 7 right here in the left side. I get 7, 1s are first, and I'll have to take the LCM of 72. So that would be 2 36 are 72, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So basically the LCM of 72 and 7 is nothing but 72 into 7. 72 into 7 is going to give me 504. That's my LCM. That's my LCM of 72 and 7. 72 into 7 is 504. Therefore 121 must be multiplied by 7. 121 into 7 would give me 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8, 847. And 7 must be multiplied with 72. Therefore 16 into 72 I'll have to do it. 16 into 72 right here in our rough column here, 16 into 72 would give me 16 2s are 32, 2 3 carry, and 16 7s are 112, 112 plus 3 115. I'm getting 1152. Alright, so what is 119 minus 45? That would give me 74D divided by 84 greater than or equal to. What is 847 minus 1152? I'm going to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and put a negative sign. So that would be 5, that would be 0 here, and that would be 3. So minus 305 by 504. Right. Now I'm going to erase all my working, which is towards the right. Let's proceed further with the question. What is 74 by 84? I can divide both numerator and denominator with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. I'm getting 37D by 42. Greater than or equal to minus 305 by 504. Let me cross multiply the numbers. D would be greater than or equal to minus 305 into 42 by 37 into 504. I can divide the 42 and 504 with 2. Let me proceed with that. 2 21s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and 2 2s are. I can divide the 21 and 252 with 3 if I'm not wrong. 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. Again, 7 and 84 goes, 7 12s are 84. I am left with D greater than or equal to minus 305 by 37 into 12. Therefore, my final answer would be minus 305 divided by 12 7s are 84, 4, 8 carry, 12 3s are 36 plus 8, 44. D greater than or equal to minus 305 by 444 would be my final answer. In decimal, it would be approximately D greater than or equal to 0.68 with a negative sign, negative 0.68 approximately. Quite a lot of students struggle to arrive at the final answer of this very good, very competitive linear inequation question. For more such interesting and competitive questions, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you all for watching.